Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, we're going to be styling two areas in my home, so come on with me. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. This video is part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by Tablescapes by Candy and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now, I do have some beautiful co-hosts that are joining me, so let me go ahead and mention them. So we have Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Jean Home Decor and more, and Z9 Designs. Now, I recently got this table from Amazon to put behind the dining room table along the wall. So that's what we're styling today. Okay, let's start at the far end. So I grabbed one of the wooden bread bowls and I decided to fill that with some lemons because lemons reminds us of spring and summer and it's just so refreshing. Then I added a candle holder with one of the little black birds that I purchased from Kirkland's. I absolutely love that. Now we have the candle holders themselves and the candles, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now the cloche in the center is my grand cloche. I just recently had a collaboration, the cloche collaboration, and that was embellished and decorated spring garden. That was amazing. I'm going to see if I link that video below. Then I had a little bowl that was made of crushed glass and gold. I filled that with some lemons. And of course, the little house next to it was a thrifted item. And then next to that, we have a vase with lemons. Okay, so I just finished lighting the candles. I think we should do a quick reveal on this area before we move on over to the window. Doesn't this area look absolutely beautiful? I think it does. I love the lemons. I'm loving my bird. And I'm absolutely loving my cloche. Now I love the way that back wall is styled. Let's move on over to the window because I love decorating that too. So let's go style that. Now, I absolutely love the vase and these flowers. Everything looks so springy in this area. And then we're going to add some birds, a little bit of little decor, and then we're going to go over to that reveal. This came out absolutely adorable. I think we need to head on over to the reveal. Now, I am loving the way both these areas turned out. They're styled so beautifully. So I also want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for joining in this collaboration with me. I had so much fun, and I hope you guys did too. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.